If you just got hired as a virtual assistant or an executive virtual assistant and you have never properly used Google Docs before, this video is for you. I am walking you through everything step by step, and I am going to use a simple monthly performance report to show you exactly how it works. Just stay with me to the end of the video to get it. Open Chrome or go to docs.google.com. You'll see a 9 dot arranged as a small grid. It's called waffle icon. Click on it to show you all the Google apps. But we are going to use Google Docs here. So click on Google Docs. You'll see a lot of templates there and everything and documents you've worked on before if you've used Google Docs. But no, since we are not using templates here, we're going to start with a blank document. Tap on the blank document, and when it opens, this is the UI, this is the interface of the Google Docs. This is going to open. First thing first, this is all the tabs on the Google Docs. First thing first, go to file and page setup and set up your page. If your client is in the US, they normally use later, but in Nigeria we'll normally use A4 size and Word of view. So click on A4 and then you format, you arrange your Word document. Next, you go and save the client's name or save your document with any name that you know your client to be able to find very easily. I'm saying it again, please make sure you save it with a file name that your client is going to find easily. Yeah, I'm going to save it as client report, the client's name, and the month the report is going to be for. Since it's for the month of July, I'm going to add July at the front, so we know that this report is for the month of July. Then I have a document typed out already. I'm just going to paste it here because if I set them to type everything from scratch, it's going to take a lot of time. So we are going to format it now. If I highlight the first document, that's the monthly performance report, I'm going to go to the text formatting properties up there. You go to the center align. I'm going to put this in the center. That is done, and then I increase the font. To be able to align three things together, hold your control down on your keyboard and highlight those three things, then click Ctrl B, bold, and then you bold those things. Same thing, I did a bold here, and for you to be able to add that small tiny underline kind of row line something, go to the format, paragraph style, borders and styling, borders and shading. So then you tap on the bottom border, give it the border width, put the correct border width, the border color, the border dash, and click on apply. After you apply, you see that bottom border is going to be there. It's going to be a very thin line. It's not going to show very well, but when it's printed out, it's going to show you to make the document look kind of professional and well arranged. I'm going to repeat the same step for the key deliverables, action items, and notes, and it's going to be the same exact step that we use in getting for the overview. Repeating the same step by going to the format, paragraph styles, the borders and shading, and then giving it the bottom border for the whole thing, the key deliverables, action items, and the notes. Next, you work on the spacing. If you go still under the format, you will see something like line and paragraph spacing. You can give it a single line spacing, double line spacing, 1.5 line spacing, and there are other details there for you to keep. You can add space after paragraph, add space before paragraph, custom spacing. You can edit to how you want. Then we go to the bullet point. Under the text formatting tools, there's a bulleted list menu, and then we're going to use the bullet points there for us to add bullets to that. After formatting the action items, we are going to add a table to the action items. So the next on the list is adding table. Here you can see that we formatted the heading with the same method we used for the key deliverables and the overview. Then the next on the list now is to add the table. You go under the insert and then you see table. You can just tap on those things, and then I'm going to add a 3 columns and 3 rows here for us to 4 rows for us to have the table here. So when you just tap on it, automatically the table will enter into the document. So you are going to add your details, the details that you need in the table. Here we're just going to type a few details that we need in the table. It's not going to take much of our time. I specifically didn't add those there when I pasted here because I wanted to show us how to bring the table, insert the table automatically, insert the table without bringing it from where I typed the document. So I'm going to have to type a little document here. Don't worry, this is just an example, a tutorial on how to do this. It's a very easy step. It's not going to stress you. Just a simple tutorial on how to build a very simple monthly performance report. So after adding all the details needed, you're going to format this. After formatting, still in the text formatting tab, you go under you first highlight it and then you go under the background color and change the background color to still pale gray. You're going to still use the gray color. That's all for that for the table. And then we go to the nose, still repeat the same thing, and we are done with this. You can see our document is coming together now. And then we go to the header now. Just tap, if you go up a little bit, just tap on the header automatically come up. Just type in the document that you want. So I'm just typing the client's name, the monthly report, and typing confidential. It's not compulsory, it's just something that some clients will want it to be in their document. Next is the changing of fonts. You can do it before you start typing, or you do it after you type. Just highlight the old document and go under the font and change the fonts to any font that you want. That's just a very simple step. It's not going to take your time. Now, on how to share the documents with your clients or anybody that needs access to the documents, just go under the file, click on share, put the person's email, grant them the access, either as an editor, commenter, or viewer. Just add a little message and then tap on send. It's a very easy step if that's what you want to do. To download a Google Doc is same as saving it to your local computer. Click on file, download. You can save as Microsoft Word, PDF, any format that you want, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to follow, like, share, and repost the video. Thank you.